How to check Milestone Credit Card application status. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. For this, you have to go ahead and head to the Milestone website. You can type in milestonegoldcard.com and you'll be redirected to the official website of Milestone. So first and foremost, you can go ahead and find the application status page. You can find it under a section like Account Services or Application, or tap on Get Started. So in here, you can enter your personal code and your zip code, then hit the Get Started option, or tap on My Account, enter your credentials to log into your account. If you do not have an account, make sure to create one. Now once you are logged in, you should be able to see the status of your application. The information displayed may vary, but it may typically include whether your application is still under review, approved, or denied. So this is for the online checking of a milestone application status. However, if you are using a mobile device to check for your application status, you will like to follow this simple step. Firstly, find the milestone customer service number. You can easily find it through the website as well. Just tap in the customer service portal. In here, you will find various of articles that can help you with any issue you may be facing. Now from here, to find your customer service number, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on How can I contact Milestone Customer Service? Right here, it will provide you with a toll-free number and an address. You can walk into your nearest branch or call in this customer service number. Once you have a call, you can follow the prompt to reach a customer service representative. You have to provide your application information. Once you are connected to a representative, you may be asked to provide some personal information to verify your identity, such as your name, date of birth, or the last four digits of your social security number. The customer service representative will be able to access to your information and provide you with an update on its status. By following these steps, you should be able to easily check the status of your Milestone credit card application. That's a wrap for this video as well. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video helped you to learn how to check your Milestone credit card application status. Until next time.